Right, I did say I'll come back and share this with you. So again, I hope my voice isn't too, my mouth isn't too close because of the noise. So I'm going to show you how I've made that. So I've got some chain here. Let me move the pins out of the way. You're going to need some chain, a bead cap, a pearl, a metal bead. I've got another one there in case I want to use it. A crystal, which has been wire wrapped, which is just something different. A roundel, some bead caps for the pearl, and pliers. So you want some round nose pliers and some pincers. So obviously we want to try and get them all the same length. So I'm just going to cut one. And you just chop the link. Like that. I can't remember how many I put on. It does depend on the size of your bead cap. Like this one's fine. That will hold quite a few. I'm just going to count how many I had. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll try that with 8. Like that. They don't all have to be the same length, but they do look better if they are near enough at the end. You can always trim them down if they're too big, some of them. You know. And this point, I just don't see the point. My motto is, make what you can and buy what you can't make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Oops. 8. We'll just try with this. We can always add another one on if it's too much. Now I've got these pins, so you want a pretty long one if you can, because that's got to go from there to there. That should do. And I'm just going to snip the end off. We don't want that flat plate on at the back, at the end. So first of all, you have to make sure you've got your loop. So I'm going to put that there. Now before I close that loop up, I'm going to open it a little bit. I'm going to put the wires on, the chain. And this is where I can't see. It can be a little bit tricky, but hey ho. Let me just do this. Right, got it. Let's just make sure we can get the next one on. Sorry, it's just I am really grasping at straws here when it comes to seeing things. It's too dainty for my hands, that's what it is. Oh God. Done it! Oh. That's it. We're getting there. Never fuss. Not worth it. Just make sure your link isn't broken. I'm grabbing the second to the end link and then hooking on when I can see the damn thing. There. Do it that way, Fee. There we go. You wouldn't be seeing any of this if I could edit my videos out. So I hope this doesn't take any longer than half an hour because, oh bum, because it'll cut out and I won't be able to finish it. Come on. Oh. Right, Get on there. I can't, I'm not near the end, that's the problem. Right, let's have a look. Oh, bum. Sorry about that. Next door's, I think they're decorating. Or building something. Sounds like they're coming through to mine. Right, yeah. 8's about sufficient, I think. Oh. Probably just get that last one on. I mean, obviously, if you did a bigger loop and you had a bigger bead cap, then you could do more. Then what you need to do is to squash that back in like that. So you're folding in that loop. And that should hold. Thread your bead cap on like that. See, that's fine. Got your little tassel. And then you need to put on your beautiful large crystal. I'm going to get that on, but I'm not going to be able to put anything else on. So that's that. And then what you need to do now is to put this into a loop. So we're going to go on the biggest end and do that. So we've got that loop, and that you can just twist. So you've got that section done. So on your next one, again, take the flat end off. I don't have any that's without them, you see. And I need to make another loop, but before I close that loop off, I need to pop on that one I've just made on the tassel. So you do that. Pop on the bead cap, the pearl, oops, the bead cap. Now, that bead may not fit, it's not long enough. So I'm going to have to get a smaller one. Doesn't matter. We can just, let me just see the size I need. Oh, a bronzy one. Let's have a look for a bronzy one. That's too big. Too big. Too big, too big. Like I say, you don't need to have... oh, here's one. Let's have a look at this one. That'll do. Perfect. Doesn't have to be as big as that one. Flatten that out. And then roll that back to make that loop. And then that can be fitted on to something else. That's it. And you've got a nice tassel to use. They're not hard to make, are they? But if you went to buy that in a shop, you are talking roughly at least £2.99. You know, even if you added up the chain, that I think we do sell this chain. If you paid £1 for the chain, which you'd probably get 4 of these out of. I don't know. So you say 4, 4.10, 4.20. What am I saying for? £1 for the chain, £1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60p. If you said 10p a bead. And the crystals I know would be more anyway. They'd be about £35 for that size. £35, 35p for that size. But there you go. That's how you do them. Not very hard at all. And make your own. Buy what you can. Sorry, make what you can and buy what you can't make. Nothing wrong with those. Thanks for watching, take care, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.